Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the two-factor authentication on the Snapchat application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen, and new, go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Here, go to the two-factor authentication button and click to the continue button. Here you can find the SMS verification and the authentication app option. For example, click to the SMS verification and here just write your phone number. Or go to the authentication app and here you can you can set, for example, the setup manually. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.